You guys, welcome to the channel. This is your Amit Rora sir, and our journey here continues. जहाँ पे I still can't keep calm क्योंकि मेरे साथ अब बैठे हैं our very own Lakshya and Lakshya. Welcome to the channel. So honored and proud to have you here. बेटा पहले ये बता कैट में आपका स्कोर और स्लॉट.
I was slot 1. My raw score came to 85. But then we eventually scaled up in all sections, thankfully. And then my percentile eventually came to 99.44.
Superb यार. तो पहली बात तो guys, let us pause for effect here and let us soak it and Singapore को भाई 99.44 and slot 1 you guys.
Slot 1.
Oh my god. ठीक है, so huge round of congratulations Lakshya. It is so amazing. Would you remember your sectional scores and percentiles?
Verbal was half of my marks. Half of my total mark came from verbal. That was around 99.34-ish percentile, something like that. Quant was 95-ish. Quant has been a struggle throughout. And DILR was 98 and then some change, some percentile, something around that.
ठीक है बहुत बढ़िया. बट देन यू गाइस इसको बोलते हैं लाइक मतलब तोड़ के फोड़ के मार के आना. सो अगेन लक्ष्य वी आर स्टिल इन दैट ऑ फेज के भाई मतलब भाई मतलब. एंड अभी सो यू नो अगेन एस्पिरेंट्स हु आर वाचिंग यू, करंट एस्पिरेंट्स, फ्यूचर एस्पिरेंट्स, पोटेंशियल फ्यूचर एस्पिरेंट्स आर ओनली वंडरिंग भाई ये खाता क्या है, भाई ये पढ़ता कैसे है. सो लक्ष्य वी वुड लव टू गेट टू नो योर स्टोरी एंड वी वुड लव टू गेट टू नो योर कैट जर्नी. सो ये बताइए कि आप हमारे साथ जो पढ़े हो, what have you been a plus student, iconic learner? How have you studied with us?
I've been following you for a while, sir, and a lot of my marks have come from verbal as well. I've been following the YouTube channel also for a while. Unacademy puts a lot of great content on YouTube. I also use the percentile predictor. I don't know if that counts, but yeah, the amount of free resources that are available, thanks to institutions like Unacademy, makes it so much easier for someone who doesn't want to spend a lot to get into CAT, really sink your teeth in and then do the absolute best that they can.
Superb. So you guys, यहाँ पे such an inspirational story has just come out. भाई बंदा YouTube से पढ़ा है. मतलब he did not enroll in a batch. He studied from YouTube. Guys, he stuck to educators. मैं हमेशा एक ही बात बोलना है, भाई अपने टीचर को सिलेक्ट करो. That is up to you. That is your prerogative. भटको मार इधर से उधर से उधर से इधर. So Lakshya, this is an extreme honor for me, by the way. I'm currently मतलब proud तो छूट की. I'm like so humbled कि Lakshya chose me and studied from me. Instagram से interesting है, मतलब रील कैप्शंस भी थोड़े बच्चे ध्यान देते हैं, मेंटल नो. And YouTube of course. So thank you so much for studying from us and getting inspired. And you guys मतलब again, so here the learning is अगर Lakshya can do it, so can you. खाली बच्चा YouTube से पढ़ा है and Instagram से मेरे पढ़ा है, मेरे साथ जुड़ा है, and verbal में तो इतना मार क्या, orally मार क्या है. Now what's your excuse? ठीक है, चलो Lakshya, take us to your journey. When did you start preparing for CAT? How did you prepare? What was your schedule like?
So this was my first attempt. I started in about Feb properly of this year. Jan I spent in, getting to know CAT. I think it's very important before you start your prep is to get to know what the exam is all about and structure and plan. I think plan is the most important thing anyone can do. Two things I would say sort of earmarked my CAT preparation. One is planning and second, honestly, is obsession. I think if you have to be truly, 99.44 isn't a great score. I was averaging around 99.9 in mocks, but I feel like to truly achieve, if you speak to any of the top markers, obsession is everything. You have to consume CAT, you have to live CAT throughout. And I was a working professional. Whatever time little you have to devote to, even if I'm not studying, I'm consuming CAT content through your reels or through YouTube videos. It's sort of playing in the background. I'm sort of covered by that throughout. So when I began verbal, because I've come from an English speaking family, verbal has been somewhat good throughout. Even though I have a statistics background, quant was a big struggle for me, right? There were marks where I was very like touch and go negative marks as well. So verbal is something that you do read. Something that's very underrated that you also mentioned, sir, is consume English content. Yeah. Right? See English shows, at least for the CAT, you can put Family Man on pause, you can see Friends or stuff like that. Consume English content, read English books. It helps more than you can imagine in familiarity. DLR, solve as much as you can. So in the beginning, I was struggling with quant. over time, iteration after iteration, I give 49 mocks. I like to say cat was my 50th mock, right? I often say that. So iteration after iteration, obsession and planning. Plan everything that you're going to do. I used to create month-long plans that, over the next 2 months, I'm going to do this. In this week, I'm going to take up 3 modules from Quant, 2 modules from DILR, say 2 modules from Verbal, and I'm going to do them in that way. Then at the start of the week, I would plan that Monday I'm going to do this, Tuesday I'm going to do this, Wednesday I'm going to do this, and stick to it. Sticking to it as important as planning it. So yeah, that's sort of been the.
But that's very well put, yeah, Lakshay. That is so simplistically put, you guys. And this is something that we heard yesterday from all of our toppers. I love the fact that he said cat एक और mock था. I love that, you guys. तो मतलब कि ना, and again यहाँ पे you witnessing polar opposites. एक तरफ लक्ष्य ने बोला भाई मैं consumed था, obsessed था, Instagram पे भी cat के रीलों को ये देखता था. But दूसरी तरफ he also said ठीक है, so cat was just another mock. So you guys, no shortcut to success. There's no shortcut to hard work. You gotta put it into if answer to आएगा. Now here it is. तो कल का दिन ना Lakshay, we met another topper who was like मेरा मैथ्स अच्छा था, सर मेरा LRD अच्छा था. So ना वो ठीक है, that's also obviously awesome. लेकिन ना बच्चे बोल रहे हाँ तो ये तो लकी है. Now we have it. लक्ष्य ने openly बोला भाई मैं statistics कर रहा हूँ तो भी मेरा मैथ्स खराब था. There you have it, you guys. So भागो मत अपने प्रॉब्लम से यार. Make up a plan, make up a schedule. God, मैंने इतने trackers and इतने planners दिए रहेंगे, I'm assuming, and now that I'm thinking about it, and pre-filled and everything, but use something, yaar. But stop making excuses. Stop kind of evading that. Chalo, Lakshay, let's continue. So, how about your, talk to us about your D-Day. मतलब कि, you obviously you got slot 1. So, how was your state of mind? What did you do in that final week leading to CAT and on CAT day?
So what you said is very important, sir. Something that you just mentioned. Obsession is great until the week before CAT.
Huh.
Right. It's amazing. In preparation, you have to be obsessed with it. But in the final week, you sort of have to, relax, take some time off, all of that. So I was around 95-ish percentile in all of my mocks. In the month of November, I started hitting 99.9, 99.98. Even I was 99.99 in one of my mocks. Right. And that sort of gets in your head as well. People think that bad mocks get in our head, good mocks also get in our head as well. You start to get overconfident. Then I had a bad mock, then I had a good mock, and then I stopped after that. So in the week preceding up to CAT, I had the exact same schedule every morning. Exact same to the T. What I'm going to eat before the paper, what I'm going to drink before the paper. This is again going to sound a bit crazy, but how much water I'm going to consume as well. Interesting. Right. Because I tend to take many
I'm sure. I'm absolutely correct.
Controlling my water intake as well.
Yeah.
What I'd recommend is in the week preceding CAT, nail your schedule exactly. Wake up at the same time every day. Go through the exact same motions every day. Even if you're not giving a mock, study at the same time every day. CAT is all about iterations. Iterate. And it's as much what I realized, I think, that teachers mention at the beginning of the year, but students tend to forget. I think it's very important to remember. The reason why toppers who scored much more than me say mock is CAT is as much a knowledge game as much as it's a test-taking game. I was speaking to a senior who is in Ahmedabad currently, got 99.94 last year. He said, if you give me the options of a RC, he can still manage a 50% accuracy without reading the RC whatsoever because the traps are very predictable.
Nice.
You can understand them, and that only happens through iteration and iteration and iteration.
बहुत बढ़िया. And you guys, this is where when वो trap choices PDF बनाया था मैं तुमको बच्चों को तब चिल्ला रहा था यार करो because the options are ठीक है. So this is यार लक्ष्य बहुत बड़ा हो गया है तो CAT एकदम टॉप करती है इतना स्मार्ट हो गया मतलब ये तो बहुत impressive बात है. You guys, so this is so impressive, and again I'm sorry, I'm just overwhelmed. I'm literally overwhelmed. So this is CAT is all about logic. ठीक है. Thank you so much Lakshay for pointing it out. CAT is all about the option game, you guys. Predictive options मतलब ना, and as he rightly said, 2 ऑप्शन तो ऐसे निकलेंगे अगर आप स्मार्ट हो. और आप हो यार, आप पहले सिली मिस्टेक कर रहे हो, ठीक है ना. अच्छा, बाकी 2 ऑप्शंस का खेला है, एंड वो क्यों नहीं होगा बिकॉज वो CAT है आफ्टर ऑल. एंड यू गाइस लुक एट दिस लेवल ऑफ डिसिप्लिन. तो एज लक्ष्य राइटली सेड, टीचर्स बहुत बोलते रहे यार यूट्यूब पे, हम लोग सब बहुत बोलते हैं कंसिस्टेंसी डिसिप्लिन. लुक एट व्हाट ही डिड, यू गाइस. मतलब द फैक्ट कि आप 2 घंटे अपने पेपर के बीच में उठ नहीं पाओगे, उसने अपने बॉडी को इस तरीके से कंडीशन किया है। दिस इज़ एक्सट्रीमली स्मार्ट एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ एंड मतलब स्मार्ट मतलब इन द सेंस यार ठीक है, यू नो व्हाट योर लिमिटेशंस आर एंड 1 वीक एंड अगेन यू गाइस जितना भी ऑब्सेशन 1 वीक ही लेट गो। बर्नआउट नहीं होना बिकॉज़ व्हाट इज़ द पॉइंट इफ यू फॉल अपार्ट एंड यू कंप्लीटली बर्न आउट, राइट? Lakshya, final this thing we would love to hear so talk to us about when the timer started and that finally the entire and slot 1 unfolded in front of your eyes because भाई काफी ट्रॉमे थे slot 1 मेरे को तो कॉल आए थे मैं तो slot 2 में घुस रहा था तो talk to us about what was your what was your strategy during the CAT and how did you navigate it.
So as I said, it was the 50th mock. I was completely relaxed. And I think if you speak to most of the toppers I consider like 99.8, 9 plus, they would also be completely relaxed on the day off. So I entered it, it was completely fine. The center was okay. My invigilator was not okay. Usually when we sit for CAT, what I've heard is they come to you one by one and get you to sign on the admit card. Center I had, he did not want to get up. He didn't want to do work. He has proceeded to call everyone one by one. Aditya, where are you? Laksh, where are you? Lokesh, where are you? These were 20 minutes in the nervous section where arguably you require the most level of focus, I think, than anything else. So 20 minutes, usually I attempt all 24 questions in verbal with about 2 to 3 minutes to spare even. And I was averaging around 50 in my mocks, 51 and a half in my mocks. And I got only 43 on the day off because I could only attempt 22 questions. And I had to change my strategy as well. So usually I attempt 4 RCs one by one straight, and then I get into verbal. But RCs require a lot more focus, right? Verbal is something that, if there's a half a minute break where he stopped, then I can sort of quickly solve a para-jumble or a para-summary or something like that. So to pivot my strategy as well. So I think it's very important to be calm and to realize, okay, this is what I have, this is what I'm going to do. And okay, let me quickly figure out what's the best method for me now. Calmness is everything, right? 22 questions in, I was a bit disappointed in my verbal, but I was like, you know what? Done. DILR next. DILR, I was lucky that I picked a set correctly. The 5 question set, mine was the train set. 5 questions solved, all of them in 8 minutes. 8-9 minutes, I was done with that. Then I went to the radar graph set, which is also a very easy one that most people solved. Solved 3 questions in that. Went to the 4th question, realized that this will take some time. It's easy question, but it'll take some time. Let me try to solve a 4 question or a 5 question DLR set instead. Went to it, spent 20 minutes on, there was some ranking sort of a set. I know many friends of mine who were targeted at 10 plus who were stumped by that set. It looked so convincing. I have spent 20 minutes on that set, got nowhere with it, couldn't solve the 4th question in that easier set as well.
Oh,
right. Should have taken a step back, but thankfully I had that one 5-mark set, 5 question set done in the back. So I cleared all my sections comfortably, got 98 plus. But if I managed to crack that, so 20 minutes wasted. Again, little bit disappointed with it, but I was like, you know what? I've still solved 8 questions with precision. I'm very sure about them. Let's get into quant. Quant, again, as much as I like to say, I was so calm. Quant, the first 7-8 minutes, I was really struggling. I solved 1 question in the first 7-8 minutes. Took half a minute off, drank some water, half a minute off, breathed again, and then started to lock in. I was able to solve around 12 questions. Accuracy was a bit hit or miss. And I ended up getting around 20, 21-ish marks in the end. So again, ups and downs, which is completely normal. And it's going to happen to you. Let me say this very honestly. Your CAT attempt is not going to go as expected. It's just not. There's no chance. 0% chance. Okay? Go in knowing that something is going to go wrong and knowing there's that very famous quote is that you don't judge when a bird lands on a branch. It's not sort of hoping that the branch won't break. It has its faith in its ability that it knows how to see. Right? It's like that. The branch is going to break only, for sure. But you have to have the faith that, I've done this in mocks. I've reiterated and I've gotten better. Also something is not DD related. But know this, that every effort that you put in is actually counting. Often when it happens to me, I was like, 7 o'clock, I'm feeling a little tired. Let me watch this web series. One day, what difference will it make? I'm a star student, so I did a linear regression, okay, of all of my mark scores, especially my PYQs. There's a clear positive correlation. Every mock that you give, mine was 98.3 something plus 0.1x, which is basically every mock that I gave, 0.1 my percent, 0.13, something like that.
Improvement. Fair.
Every mock counts. Every hour that you spend counts. Every half an hour also counts. You know, those things add up over time. So that's what I want to say. Something's going to go wrong on the D-Day. Be prepared that you know how to handle it. And believe me, you know how to handle it. That's what I want to say.
That's absolutely amazing. You guys, but so look at this, and so a lot of kids face problems in their centers. A lot of people के my own center was, oh my god, and respect to my kids, तुम लोग कैसे manage कर लेते हो यार, because my life didn't depend on the exam, but yours did. So when I was sitting in the center, I'm like, हे भगवान कैसे कर, empathy. So
Yeah.
you guys, he was made to get up in between his exam. मैं तो भाई उधर ही मैं तो बिखर जाऊँ. मैं इस हालत में भी बिखर जाऊँ when I'm a teacher writing the paper, because again I'm paranoid. He pivoted, you guys, and he re-strategized, and he जो कल भी सारे बच्चों ने यही बोला है, काम काम काम, तो काम तो रहना ही पड़ेगा. चलो ठीक है, एंड वो तोप जैसे कर रहा है. लिसन टू मी, हियर मी आउट. ठीक है, VRC 22 भाई 22. ठीक है, LRDI 20 मिनट. It is everything wrong as per the textbook, and he's done that. But you know what, you're human. Everybody is human. Allow yourself that. चलो फिर भी करके आया, तोड़ के आया. जैसे अच्छा, यू कैन सी डिड नॉट लेट दिस अफेक्ट द नेक्स्ट सेक्शन का परफॉर्मेंस व्हिच वाज क्वांट. तो यहाँ पे बहुत बच्चे बिखर जाते हैं. लेट्स नॉट. इफ ही कुड डू इट, यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट, एंड व्हाई नॉट. So all my 2025 aspirants watching right now, and in case you are kind of thinking it's all over sir, अभी ओमेट्स बाकी है. ओमेट्स पे जाके ये करके दिखाओ भाई, हो जाएगा यार, हो जाएगा. बट डोंट गिव अप, डोंट लेट गो. वो बर्ड का एनालॉजी क्या बोल, वो उसको मैं टी-शर्ट बना रहा हूँ, मैं टोटली आई एम गोइंग, या मैं अपनी इंस्टाग्राम बायो पे लिख दूंगा. हेलो गाड़ी, हैव फेथ इन योरसेल्फ एंड ब्रो फ्लाई मतलब छोड़ ना सवाल को, अगले सवाल पे जा यार. बट इमेजिन आफ्टर सच अ डिजास्टर्स DILR कि जहाँ पे 20 मिनट अपलोड गए और जो भी है, एंड यू आर काइंड ऑफ बिटर एंड यू आर लाइक क्या यार, यू गो टू क्वांट, पहले 7-8 मिनट आप एक ही सवाल करवा रहे हो. बिकॉज दिस इज व्हाट आई हर्ड, द क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी कैलकुलेशन हेवी. The questions required a lot of use of on-screen calculator use करना is a nightmare because blah blah blah. तो लेकिन guys, he resetted, he paused, he took a deep breath. और यही आपको सिखाया था कि if everything falls apart, breathe in and out, and maybe things will come back. ठीक है, तो I love the fact that my Lakshya, मतलब you're a fighter, you're a warrior, you're not a winner मेरे हिसाब से. आप भाई, आप वो हो जो मतलब कि ना वो क्योंकि losing battle को भी आप turn around करके आ रहे हो. This I think is really amazing. This is just absolutely killer. ठीक है. Any parting advice, Lakshya, that you would want to? वैसे तो you've given very amazing tidbits today. But if in a nutshell you wanted to kind of, because a lot of future kids are watching you. A lot of even 3 years down the line, जो CAT 28 की भी अभी सोचे, जो first years में है. And you're going to, like, they're looking at you like, say bhaiya karke, like, कि अगर ये कर, yeah, trust me, with stars in their eyes. What would you kind of, advise them, or what would you give them?
So there are 2 or 3 things I want to say. First thing is, if you bring up all the people who've scored between say 99.3 and 101.5, which is the kind of the bracket I'm in, and you laid them out based on their natural aptitude, I would be somewhere in the bottom of that, right? I'm not someone, I mean, look at my marks, you'll think, oh, he's just faffing. But I'm not someone who's naturally extremely smart. But what I can guarantee you is, if it comes to hard work, I will be in the top 0.5% of that. It's just hard work. I have just, given it my everything in a balanced way, but I've given it my everything. So if you think that, you're not naturally gifted or whatever, believe me, CAT is a preparation based exam. It's not like a GMAT, which is testing your natural aptitude more than preparation. CAT is testing how much effort you can put in. That's one thing, is that aptitude does not overpower preparation and hard work in CAT, right? Second, every little bit of that hard work that you're putting in actually matters towards the end. And third, plan, and then be okay with that plan not going according to plan. That's what I want to say. 3 things, and have faith in yourself, man. You're good. You're good. You're very, very good. That's what I want to say.
तो लक्ष्य अभी सबको छोड़ आया है, छोड़ मेरे को ज्वाइन कर लिया. हाँ जा, I'll tell you, I'll take care of you. This is so right. It's so good to listen to a younger version of yourself, yaar. It's so nice, Lakshya, so nice. And this is so good, seriously good, yaar. Chalo, but Lakshya, do consider, on a very unrelated note, ठीक है, I'm sure you have corporate dreams, and whatever dreams that you have, entrepreneurial, corporate, and whatever you say, teaching के profession के बारे में जरूर सोचिएगा, because all the elements are there. and of course now it depends. It boils down to a fundamental thing of you liking and wanting to do it. But I don't know. I had to just put it out there. Chalo, this is absolutely brilliant, you guys. जहाँ पे all these things. So again he said like aptitude में नहीं था तो hard work से compensate किया. कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा ना यार, वरना ऐसे कैसे naturally थोड़ा ना आएगा something. But the entire thing about stop being paranoid. Stop over, giving over importance to things or over obsessing. कुछ होने वाला है नहीं भाई आप. So this is so again, Alaksha, I am kind of overjoyed, overwhelmed, speechless, and it's so nice to kind of have you and speak to you. So we wish you all the best, obviously from everyone at the brand and personally. So my God, all my love and everything is coming. I think वो दिख भी रहा है, आज दिख रहा है मेरे को. And we will reach out to you very soon. We'll hopefully catch up with you in person as well, because we would love to get you over to our studio and like meet you, kind of physically. And of course, abhi aapki aage ki prep shuru hogi, because that is extremely important and we can't kind of underestimate that. So we'll have you over, and then we will sharpen your thode और edges, and we'll make you एकदम perfect diamond, and then we'll send you, because भाई अभी बस अभी convert कर, बस अभी just convert it. And those IIMs only need people like you, that small, which I can say, like which they should. Okay, so guys, before we sign off, I just have to quickly say there is a form link that is pinned in the description box of the comment section. Without fail, आप अपना उसमें definitely admit card upload कर दीजिएगा. Fill out your details. Remember, if you're scoring 98, 99, 100, we've got you covered for sure. और यार अकेडमी बहुत सारे गिफ्ट दे रहा है, पता नहीं मेरे को भी मिल जाती है, काश मैं भी. I'm not eligible. And others also definitely karo, if this will help us to reach out to you and guide you, and that is extremely important. Lakshay, thank you so much again for coming. I'll please convey our deepest regards, all my respect to win your parents, because this is so nice. I mean, let's face it, you're here because of them. So definitely convey, all our love to your parents as well. Please take care. Please stay safe. And that's all. Thank you so much, Lakshay. All the very best.
Thank you so much, sir. It's been great. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Lakshay. Thank you so much.